This is Helpscreen and this is how to open a Snapchat without them knowing. So I'm going to discuss multiple solutions. So guys, first thing that you will need to do is to make sure you are not running Snapchat on the background on your phone. And then after that, turn on the airplane mode on your device. And then once it is turned on, just open up the Snapchat. And then from here, just go to the chats. And guys, from here, tap on any user that you like to read. And from here, just take a screenshot. And once you have taken a screenshot, guys, just tap on the profile of the person who you would like to choose. And then from here, tap on the three dots and tap on the chat and notification settings and tap on clear from chat feed. And now, guys, for the second option or for the second method, is just make sure to turn on the airplane mode again. And then once it is turned on, you go ahead and go to Snapchat. And then from here, go to chats. And then from here, just do the same process. Tap on the person you would like to read and take a screenshot. And then once you have taken a screenshot, guys, you just go ahead and close the application. And then from here, just hold the app and uninstall it from your device. And then after that, once it is uninstalled, you can just go back to the Google Play Store. And then from here, just search for Snapchat again. And guys, download it back again on your device. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya!